Okay, so let me show you how I created this interior system. You see, this is our interior going on all over the building. Okay, and this is a simple plane. If I go inside here, you see, this is just a simple plane, nothing inside here. So this will be pretty render friendly. It will not eat up all your CPUs, RAMs, or GPUs, and it will start FPS. Oh, this is 120 FPS, so this is pretty light. So this method is pretty light. So I think in this method you can create your interior system or anything. Just you have a concept and you can create anything. So how did we create it there? So let me break down everything. So I have this mesh in Maya. I have already UV unwrapped it, and later on I have downloaded some HDRI maps from the internet, and here I applied the HDRI maps. As you can see, this is the HDRI map. Listen, this is the HDRI map I'm talking about. Okay, so after that I took a scene capture cube. I took a scene capture cube, put it inside this ball, and I created a cube render target. Okay, so this is my cube render target looking like, and I created a material from here. So this is the material looking like. So this is unlit, and this is our cube render target texture. This is reflection factor, and this is a scalar parameter. So you see, this is already looking 3D, but this is only a HDRI map. But we can fake it like it's a 3D map. So we can save and boost our FPS. Okay, you see? Okay, let me demonstrate with a plane. So this is Unreal Engine default plane. So if I throw down the material, okay, if I select everything, throw down the material, okay. So you see, this is looking like a giant TV. Okay, so this is working, this is good. And this is a simple plane. So this is not GPU heavy, so it will give us a pretty decent FPS in our game. So we don't have to create an interior system for that. And we can easily use that as our interior system. Okay, bye bye.